For the ladies of our honorable sponsors, Rough Fried Chicken, Engineer Danilo Alvarez, AJ Jar Driving School, Be Secure, Joanna Tools, White Hub Sunshine House, and Vegas Hub A1. So we will be awarding the certificates now. So as read, Republic of the Philippines Barangay Military Cut-Off, City of Baguio, Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to for exhibiting her efforts in the field of arts, especially in painting, in the creation of the mural at Purok 4 Diversion Road, Military Cut-Off, which commemorates the rich and beautiful history of the barangay. Awarded this 11th day of July 2024 at Barangay Military Cut-Off, Baguio City, signed by yours truly, isang ganyan kantataan chairperson, and the Punong Barangay Honorable Becky P. Ambion Cruz. So, the first certificate is awarded to Karil D. Comedes.
Okay, Karel. Sige. Gusto ka sa tabi ni Kwan.
Then the next certificate is awarded to Pauline B. Arce.
Yung iba, huwag nyo na-award. Ulit, our architect. Okay.
Then the next is to be awarded to Dylan Irie Z. Calines.
Gila. Okay, sige.
And last certificate is to be awarded to Honorable Councilor Leandro Biango Jr. for his exemplary support and efforts in the creation of the mural here at Purok 4 Diversion Road Military Cut-Off.
Thank you. Tito Joseph. Okay.
And now, may we call on Kagawad Dante Fermin for the...
Ganap mo na after that.
Kagawad,
Closing and then we cut.
Kagawad Dante Fermin.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. In behalf sa Military Cut-Off Barangay Council. Sa lahat po, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binigay nyo. Lalong-lalo na ito sa first time na mural po para sa Military Cut-Off. Ulitin ko po, hindi ko na po isa-isahin, pero sa aming mga deep in our heart, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumuporta, mga pa-media man, mga government agencies, of course, number one, ito talaga si Councilor Leandro Yangot. Maraming salamat po. Sa lahat na po, sa mga pulisan, hindi ko na ano yung iba. Basta sa lahat po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Baka hindi ako makatulog mamayang gabi, may sisingit lang ako. Lahat pala ng murals, it will help enhance tourism in the city. Kasi with the power of social media, we hope na those who come to Baguio will take time na magpa-picture dito. Instagrammable wall ng Military Cut-Off at yung pinanggalingan din natin kanina, Middle Rock Quarry. So yun, take time na magpa-picture. Ngayon, I would say this is still a work in progress, Kapitana. Kasi kung may maisip ang na ilagay natin, sige, isingit natin. Isingit natin dyan bago namin ipalagyan ng top coat niya. And para malaman ng mga taong bayan, saan yung susunod na mural? Kasi ito yung una, saan yung second?
Sa SPED po and then sa bus, actually marami po, Councilor, pasensya na. Sa one po dun sa court, and then the other one po dito sa may SPED. Apo. And makiki-coordinate pa po kami kay Sir Dominguez if it's possible po dito sa area na.
Wali at nandito si JD, mag-i-sponsor yan. Si JD Balja Tabora. Kasama niya si Nico, yung asawa niya nandun. Okay. So yun, take time na magpa-picture dito no? And then ilabas natin yung storya. Hopefully, in the days to come, our visitors, those who come to Baguio, will take their pictures here. Meron din yung sa Middle Rock Quarry. After here, we will go to Balsigan. Kung may time, you join us kayong mga taga-military cut-off. Thank you.
Okay, ribbon cutting na po. Let's call on Councilor Yangot, JD, Miss JD, Kapitana, Becky, Sir Joel, SK Chairman, and all the barangay officials of Military Cut-Off Barangay. Ayan na po. It's about to open.
Jim, video sa'yo, pigsahan.
Video sa Ken, sige.
Kapitana, where are you? Congressman Joel. Serious. Okay. You count, Kapitana. Ano?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Yung bagong kasal. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Si Doc, join us. Ng GPS pa lang. Okay? Sige, schedule natin. Okay, may kasama pang meeting kayo.
Thank you very much.
Joel, magpamilita si Joel.
Next week. Kasi every week.
Basta ang naubos siya, dapat